Good afternoon everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm called Lamaro Proscovia, and in this video I'll be taking you through what we call truncations and wildcards. So let us get started. So the topic we shall be talking about today is on truncation and wildcards in searching. So the first thing we'll be able to look about is the definition of truncation. By definition, truncation is a technique that require the users of a symbol to find different word endings and retrieve multiple forms of a word. When we say maybe you use a symbol to get different word endings and retrieve multiple forms of a word. For example, you can use the hash string. For example, when you put here education and you put the hash string, it can mean the same. When you use educate hash string, it can mean education, educator, or even educating. So let me take you through on how to use this practically. So we shall type here we are going to search from Google. So we will say educate then we'll put our hash string and we search to see the different words it's going to mean. So when you put educate, it can either mean education or a study abroad with educards or edustart. So it will give you the various different meanings of the word. So with truncations, you may just write a particular word to mean different words at the same time, as if you remove other endings, it's not going to affect the other words. So when we say when to use truncation, I've already showed you. Use it when a word has many endings. For example, when you have education, you can just write the educate, then you write the hash strings. You can also use it to broaden your search results, as we used here. Because when I used this educate here, I had education, I had educat, I had edustart, different meanings of the words at the same time. So that's the use of truncation. Then we have what we call the wildcards. By definition, it is used to replace one or more letters within a word, useful for spelling variations. For example, when you want to write woman, you can write woman with a question mark to replace the letter A in woman to mean woman or women. So it will simplify your work. You can use this to simplify your work, like to replace one or more words but meaning the same thing. So when to use wildcards, we use this when dealing with different spellings. For example, woman and women. A woman is singular, then women is plural, but we are meaning feminine, though they have different spellings and unknown letters. So I'll also take you through on how to use wildcards. We're going to type here woman. Then instead of writing the letter A, we are going to put a question mark. Then you will see like the different words it's going to mean. So including results for women. It has brought for us different wordings. The Y in women, then we have women of like the different wordings that came from that same word. So that's basically how we use wildcards and truncation. Thanks for watching my video. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube videos.